Hi, my name is Eric Daw from OmniFit, and today I have a great topic for you seniors. It's why seniors need, not just want to, need to exercise on the ground. But before we get into all the things we're gonna talk about, let's get into it. So folks, the number one reason why you want to exercise on the floor is because seniors generally, or as we get older, we lose the ability to back extend. Why is back extension so important? Well, back extension is really critical and important because it has a lot to do with your posture. So as you see me doing right here, I'm lying on my stomach and I'm lifting my chest off the ground, my head off the ground, but keeping my head in line with my shoulders. Try this. Hold for 20 seconds, 30 seconds. You'd be surprised a lot of people as they get older struggle with back extension. So folks, the number two reason why seniors need to exercise on the floor is, I'll be honest with you, there are certain exercises you can't simulate standing. And one in particular is anything to do with a glute bridge. I've shown glute bridges in the past, but you can't simulate this as well standing. So to do a good glute bridge, you lie on your back, make sure that your head and your hips are on the ground. And my favorite one is actually a single leg hip bridge, if you can do it, sticking one leg in the air and driving the hip in the air. Can you do 20 of them? 20 reps, 15, 10 reps, whatever works for you. But the number two reason again is you can't simulate some of these exercises standing. So this one in particular, great for the glutes, which a lot of seniors are weak in anyway. So point number three, folks, is probably the most important reason of why you need to exercise on the floor if you're a senior is what happens if you end up there? We all know we don't want to fall. We all know that we don't want to end up on the floor for a reason that is beyond our choosing. But let's be honest, what happens if it does? The biggest reason why you want to do exercises on the floor is if you ever end up in that position, you're able to do it. So folks, I speak to a lot of people, and that are grandparents in particular. And one thing they tell me is they'd love to play with their grandkids on the floor. So what happens if you're in this situation? Or you end up in an emergency situation, you have to get up. That's why we need to continue as a senior to exercise on the floor. So folks, what do you think about the 3 points I just outlined? Do they work for you, or do they make sense? Why you need to continue to exercise on the floor? And I can already tell what some of you folks are thinking. I can't get on the floor already. Well, this is a great time to use your bed, not just for sleeping, but for exercising. So all of these things I just showed, whether it be the hip bridge or the back extension, you can do right in the comforts of your own bed. So that's it, folks. What do you think? And for those that haven't subscribed yet, folks, please hit the link below. This is Eric Daw from OmniFit. Take care.